Question number 8, we're trying to find the intersection point, and we're trying to use the substitution method. And there could be more than one intersection point. So my first step is to isolate one of my 4 variables, and I'm going to choose to isolate the green y because it doesn't have any coefficient with it. So this is going to be y is equal to 6x plus 1. And then I'm going to substitute this in for y in the top equation. So when I do that, I'm going to have to FOIL here because it's a binomial squared. So this is x squared plus 6x plus 1 times 6x plus 1. So if you FOIL that, it's going to be 36x squared plus a 6x plus a 6x will be plus 12x plus 1 is equal to 50. So I want to get everything onto one side and 0 on the other. So this is going to be 37x squared plus 12x minus 49 is equal to 0. And you could solve by the quadratic formula if you want to. I'm going to solve by factoring, and I'll use the AC method here. So AC, if you multiply 37 times negative 49, you get negative 1,813, and then B is 12. So it's kind of a big number, but it's actually just the two numbers that you multiply together, although the 37 is going to be negative. So negative 37 and 49 multiply to be negative 1,813, but add to be 12. So when you split up that middle term, it's going to be minus 37x plus 49x minus 49 is equal to 0. So if you factor by grouping, 37x, x minus 1, plus 49, x minus 1, so it's going to be x minus 1, and 37x plus 49. So I want to set both of those equal to 0. So x is going to be equal to 1, and x is going to be equal to negative 49 over 37. So now I need to get the y-coordinate to each of these corresponding x-coordinates. So I'm going to plug them into this one. So y is equal to 6 times 1 plus 1, so y is equal to 7. So 1, 7 will be one of our points. And then y is equal to 6 times negative 49 over 37 plus 1. And we get y is equal to negative 257 over 37. So my point would be negative 49 over 37, comma, negative 257 over 37. So you would have to still check both of these answers in both equations, but they both work out. So these would be my 2 intersection points.